Hi, my name is Gabe. For this problem, we're asked to write the vector with initial point -3, -5, and terminal point -11, 1 in component form, and then find the magnitude of the vector. Let's begin by labeling the first component of our initial point as P1 and the second component of our initial point as P2. And let's label the first component of our terminal point Q1 and the second component of our terminal point Q2. Now to write our vector in component form, our vector v is going to be equal to the vector where the first component is the difference of the x values, so -11 minus -3, and the second component is going to be the difference of the y values, so 1 minus -5. Here we see that v is equal to the vector where the first component is -8 and the second component is 6. Next, we'll want to find the magnitude of our vector v. Let's recall that the magnitude of a vector v is equal to the square root of the first component squared plus the second component squared. In this case, v1 is -8 and v2 is 6. So the magnitude is equal to the square root of -8 squared plus 6 squared. And this is equal to the square root of 64 plus 36, which is the square root of 100, which is equal to 10. So there we've written our vector in component form as the vector -8, 6, and we found the magnitude of our vector, which is 10. Thank you.